Hello traders. Hope you are doing well. Today is our second episode of Trading with MACD. Here we will use MACD and the RSI combination in any currency pair H1 time frame. You are going to see something different and very useful strategy in this video. Let's get started. We will use two indicators in this strategy. First one is MACD as a trend navigator and second indicator RSI as an entry indicator. We will use MACD and RSI, with default settings. Only we'll add the 0 levels in MACD and 40, 50 and 60 level in RSI. At the very beginning, we have to take a look at MACD and its current position, above or below 0 line, to identify the trend. When we have understood the trend, we will use our entry indicator for open long or short order. If you don't watch our previous MACD video, please check the description for the link for a better understanding. Here we are using RSI as our entry indicator. In RSI settings, we have custom level 40, 50 and 60. We are not going to use overbought and oversold zone for entering a trade. We are going to enter either 40 or 60 level crossing with MACD directions. Sometimes we'll open an order by crossing 50 level. But entering a trade crossing 50 level, we need to have a retest 50 level again and reject it from the level. Then it confirms the trade. Now take a look entering a trade with RSI 40 or 60 level crossing. No, we'll enter a position with RSI crossing 50 level by retest 50 level again and reject from there. We can place our stop loss above previous swinging high and take profit should at least 1.5% or double of the risk. Now take a look of some examples.